Hey guys, it's Sugarpro Lexy, and I just got my newest sugar haul. It says, "Have a dance day. Thank you," with a really cute emoji on it. So, remember, not all sugar hauls are the exact same, but they are all filled with amazing dance stuff that you need in your dance bag. So, let me show you guys what's in my sugar haul. Let's get started. So the first thing in here is this super cute sugar beanie. I like the palm on the top. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. As we all know, winter's coming up, so we need to stay warm and in style. So next, we have this super cute bracelet, and in here it says, "Dance as though no one is watching." And it has super cute charms. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on also. I love it. Now we have this awesome little mirror. It's travel size, so you can take it in your dance bag, so you can touch up your makeup. It's got pucker lips. So yeah, I'll be taking this everywhere with me. Now we have this claw hair clip. It's got a really cool design on it. So when you're in a rush and you're having a really bad hair day and you just want to put that baby up, just twist it up and it will hold all of your hair. So the last thing in here is this competition ready list. So if you're packing up for a competition or even a convention, look at this, and it literally has everything that you might need. And it has tons of pages, so you should have it for a full season and longer. So that was my sugar haul, and if you want to start getting your sugar haul delivered right to your door, go subscribe to sugarhaul.com and go to Instagram and follow @SugarhaulCo and @LexyDancer. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!